Telangana's ice skater Naina Sritaluri says Khelo India Winter Games is the right platform for young winter sports athletes to showcase talent and grow. In an exclusive interaction with DD India, the young ice skater lauds government support for sports development and also spoke about their recent performances.
With me is the poster girl of ice skating, Naina Sritaluri. She has won 9 medals across 4 editions of Khelo India Winter Games. And in this edition, she has won 2 gold medals. And Naina, how are you feeling back-to-back gold medals? And this has been 9 medals. This has been a happy hunting ground for you.
Yeah, it has been very great for me. Very fortunate for me to have won these many gold medals in 4 editions. I just feel, I don't know what to say, I just feel very happy. There's nothing else I can say other than happy, right? Yeah.
You flew from Canada to Leh especially for Khelo India Winter Games. How has Khelo India Winter Games shaped you, and what does participating in Khelo India means for all the athletes and also you?
Yeah, I flew here just to maintain my streak and win 2 more gold medals, which I did. And I think coming here makes me more competitive as since I keep winning golds, I would want to win more. That's what keeps me motivated. So coming here would keep me very motivated, and yeah, I think coming here would also make me grow competitively.
How do you prepare for ice skating? Explain about the technicalities of ice skating and what have been you doing for the past 1 year where we have participated?
I have been training out of country in South Korea since the past 2-3 years, and as of competitions in the last year, I have participated in the Indian Nationals, which were held in Dehradun. I won 3 golds, and in Asian Open Trophy, which is also in Dehradun, I won 2 silvers and 2 bronze.
Tell me about the sacrifices your father has done for you, your parents have done to you, so that you can choose ice skating and reach a level where you want to reach.
The sacrifices they have done are mostly on time, as my dad comes with me everywhere to help me in my competitions and keep me updated and keep me energetic. So that's how he helps me. And mom is an encourager from back at home, which is also very important. She plays an important role as well by also funding my trips and everything. So yeah, I think I'm very grateful for them for being there for me and supporting me, and only because of them I keep growing.
Where do you look yourself in the next 5 or maybe 10 years?
My goals from 5 years from now would be either to go first is to go to the Junior World Championships and Cups, and then to the Senior Championships and Cups. And then I would love to go to the Asian Games, which will be in the next 4 years. And I would also love to participate in the Olympics, Winter Olympics.
There was Naina Sritaluri. Khelo India Winter Games has been a hunting ground for her, and she has just won 2 medals for Telangana in this edition of Khelo India Winter Games, and is looking forward to representing India at the world level, and is very confident ice skater from India in the upcoming near future. With cameraman Jagmohan Pradhan, Abhishek Prasad, DD India, Leh.